My husband died a year ago. We have been saving and waiting for the moment when everyone can come so that we can celebrate his funeral.
C'est-à-dire, il y a un langage.
There is a specialized language that a griot plays in order to announce the death of a leader.
Après cette annonce,
After this announcement, the people will follow him in order to attend the funeral.
Issa Sanu is getting ready to attend the funeral of his uncle.
Bonjour les musiciens.
Bonjour.
Hello.
Issa,
Ça va?
ça va bien?
Ça va très bien.
Bonjour.
Et vous?
Bonjour.
Et la danseuse, où elle est?
Ouais, elle est là.
Ah,
He
maman.
left his small village years ago and moved to the city, to Bobo Dioulasso.
Ça va bien?
Just like other young boys of his village, he believed that his future only made sense if he were to take on the new challenges of modern life. His dream was to become a musician, and so he joined a band, which at present performs in the bars of Bobo Dioulasso. He now is called upon his group to return to his village in order to perform at his uncle's funeral.
Mon oncle était très gentil.
My uncle was very friendly, very strict, and he did not like the fact that the boys did not want to carry on the tradition.
Mais la seule chose qu'il n'a pas aimé,
The only thing he could not stand was that I did not carry on the forge.
il n'aimait pas ça beaucoup. Au djembé, tu
But
trouves
in
un
djembé,
fer dedans,
there are
et le
also
forge,
pieces of iron
famille.
manufactured by blacksmiths, and their
Alors,
sound is
quand
similar
on
to
tape
those
le
of our
djembé,
blacksmiths.
C'est la même chose comme les forges.
There was a time when the blacksmiths had a lot of power, and we still have it. The kings trusted us because we worked with metal and we forged the weapons that granted them power. We were their right-hand men. My brother was a great blacksmith, a magician.
lorsque il y a bagarre,
If there is an argument between two people, only a blacksmith is able to resolve the dispute,
à finir cette bagarre. Même
even
s'il y a
if there is a
une
death
mort,
involved.
le forgeron est apte normalement. Donc c'est lui qui
He is the
détient
one who has
la
the power of
force
reconciliation.
de la réconciliation.
He has the
Il
power
détient
over the
la
other
force
castes.
entre les autres castes.
They are people who laugh at bullets, since they possess a kind of magic that keeps the bullets from penetrating their bodies. These people make fun of fire, since they dominate it.
Facilement s'amuser avec le feu.